Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another review video. It's been a while that I've sat down and review a new launch for you, but you know my obsession with Kiro products. I mean, as soon as they launch a new product, I just run after it and I buy it and I review it for you guys. Well, Kiro has recently launched a product which I would say is every girl's best friend, and that is lip and cheek tint. So Kiro has launched their Afterglow lip and cheek tint in 4 stunning shades, and I must say I love all the shades. Of course, I'm gonna swatch all the shades on my lips and on my hand so that you can get the better idea. But now let's begin, you guys. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging, very basic things. जल्दी से उसको cover कर देते हैं because I am like very excited to talk about the formulation and the finish and everything. So these tints come in a very basic, clear jar packaging, so you can easily identify the shade without opening it up. The jar is also quite small and sturdy and very easy to travel with. You can just put this in your pocket and just carry it around all over the day. Also, this has a very big doe foot applicator. It's very soft and cushiony, so it actually gives you like a one swipe pigmentation and one swipe application because of the size of the doe foot. You just swipe it once and you are literally done. Now let's talk about the formulation. These lip and cheek tints are enriched with hyaluronic acid, cranberry seed oil and also rosehip oils. Of course, hyaluronic acid is best for hydration, so these tints are very hydrating. Also, cranberry seed oil has anti-inflammatory properties, so if you have irritated lips, very dry and chapped lips, and if you want something which is very soothing, then you can use this. And this has rosehip oil as well, which gives a really nice radiance to your skin and also on your lips. The finish of these lip and cheek tints, I would say, is kind of demi matte. It's not matte because this is not your liquid lipstick, but this is not also glossy because this is not your lip gloss. So this is actually kind of in between. You can see right now I am wearing this, and that is the kind of finish you can expect. These lip and cheek tints, of course, you can apply on your cheeks, but also you can apply these on your eyes as well. So this is actually a multi-purpose product. If you wanna get a really nice monochromatic look, just apply the same shade on your eyes, on your cheeks and on your lips, and you are literally done. You do not need any other blush or any other contour, any other eyeshadow, anything else. You just take these, apply on your face, and you are done. Your whole face is done with only one product, which is great, right? These are actually quite pigmented, so just one or maybe 2 dots of this on your cheeks and that is more than enough. You can apply this without makeup or you can apply this on top of your makeup. Now you can see my face is looking really dull and tired because I am very tired. From past few days I've been shooting consistently. You can see I applied this on my lips and a little bit on my cheeks, and I just certainly looks really put together. There's no base product, there's no concealer or powder or foundation, anything. You can see the before and after. I was looking really dull and tired, and now suddenly with this one product I just look alive again, and that is amazing, right? Now, one more thing that I love about this product, that I can actually use this on top of my makeup because this is a liquidy product. I was a little skeptical whether or not it's gonna be perfect on top of makeup because sometimes these kind of products moves the foundation and makes the whole base look completely a disaster. But you guys, this actually sits really beautifully on top of your foundation or concealer, whatever you have on your face, and this just blends like a dream. You can literally use your fingers to blend this in, and if you want you can actually use a brush for a more seamless and very flawless finish, whatever you like. This stays on my lips for good 3 to 4 hours, and the best part is that you can reapply these lip and cheek tints. They're not gonna become very cakey or very dry, greasy. No, nothing of that sort. You can easily reapply this. अब बहुत बकबक कर लिया. Let me just give you swatches of all 4 shades. So let's begin with the shade number 1. This is 01 Beach Peach, which is a perfect beautiful nude coral peach shade, perfect for fair to medium skin girls. It's a really nice shade for your everyday use. The shade number 2 is 02 Rose Apple, which is a really nice subtle rosy pink shade. Again, very beautiful and perfect for fair to medium and even dusky skin beauties. This is gonna look stunning. The next shade that I have is 03 Roseberry Compact. This shade is actually my favorite shade. This is gonna look stunning on medium to dusky skin tone, and of course on fair skin tone this is gonna look a little darker, but for dusky skin tones this is going to be a perfect nude shade. And the shade number 04 is Fuchsia Blaze, you guys. Again, a really nice bold berry shade. Again, gonna look stunning from fair to medium to dusky skin beauties. Depending on your skin tone, it's gonna look a little different. On fair skin tones it's gonna look like a really nice berry shade. On darker skin tone this might look like a pink nude shade. Depending on your skin tone, it's gonna look different. You can actually mix and match and create your own shade however you wanna play with these shades, you guys. These are just amazing and I cannot recommend these enough. Let me know which one you like the most. I like this shade the most, which is 03, and that is that what I have today for you guys in this video. I really hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions regarding these products, you can definitely ask me in the comments. I would love to answer all your questions, and yes, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. I love you guys all so much. Bye.